Stop for a moment. If you understand English but still feel nervous speaking in a parents teacher meeting, this video can change that completely. Because most people don't fail in English, they fail in confidence. And today you are going to practice real parents teacher meeting English that you can actually use in English school English conversations. If you stay till the end and repeat every sentence, you will feel a real shift in your speaking confidence. So don't just watch, speak with me. Now listen carefully. I will say one sentence in English. You will immediately repeat it out loud. Repeat each sentence twice for better fluency. Focus on pronunciation and confidence, not perfection. If you make a mistake, just continue. Your goal is simple. Don't think in your language. Just repeat in English. Now we will start from greeting and start. 1. Good morning, ma'am. I am here for the parents teacher meetings. Now you repeat with me. Second, how is my child performing in class? Can you tell me about my child's progress? Is my child paying attention in class? I would like to understand his performance. How is his behavior in school? Does he participate in classroom activities? I am a little concerned about his studies. Is he improving in English? Which areas need more improvement? Now we will talk about academic discussion. And the sentence 11 is, first I will speak out a sentence, then you repeat with me and after with me. My child finds mathematics a bit difficult. Now you repeat. How can we improve his reading skills? Does he complete his homework regularly? Is his writing improving? How is his class participation? Does he ask questions in English? What is his current performance level? Which subject is his weakest? What should we focus on at home? Can you suggest some practice methods? Now we will talk about behavior and discipline. And the sentence is my child disciplined in class? Does he respect teachers and classmates? Is there any behavioral issue? How is his concentrational level? Does he get distracted easily? Is he confident while speaking? Does he interact with other students? How can we improve his focus? Is he shy in class? Any suggestions for improvement? Now we will talk about parents' response. And the sentence number is 31. I will definitely work on this at home. Thank you for your valuable feedback. I really appreciate your guidance. I understand your concern. We will support our child better. I will create a study routine at home. We will practice reading daily. I will talk to my child regularly. I will improve his learning environment. Thank you for your support. Now we will discuss closing conversation. I hope my child improves soon. Please guide us whenever needed. We are always open to feedback. I will follow your suggestions. Thank you for your time, ma'am. It was nice meeting you. We will meet again next month. Have a good day, teacher. Goodbye and take care. See you at the next evening. If you were able to repeat even half of these sentences confidently, then your English speaking ability is already improving. But don't stop here, because fluency is not built in one video. It is built with daily practice like this. In the next video, we will practice real life English for school admission interviews where parents actually struggle in real situation. So if you want to become fluent step by step, subscribe to this channel now, like this video and turn on the notification bell. Because here you don't just learn English, you learn how to speak English in real life. See you in the next practice session. Till then, goodbye and take care.